Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to track habits with Notion. So Notion is for free. All you have to do is to create an account here. If you want to create a habit tracker, then you can just basically go to templates and then search for a habit tracker template right here. So all you have to do is tap on the search icon inside Notion. Search for habit tracker and Notion will show you this different templates that you can use. You can select any of this. But if you want to start from scratch, then I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that. First, you just have to create or click new page right here. You can name this as habit tracker. And then here you can add a cover photo. You just have to click add cover photo. You can choose from their gallery or upload your own. Add an icon right here. And then once you're done, then basically you can start with creating your habit tracker. So all you have to do to start is type the slash icon right here. You will have your option below. So basically you can create habit tracker using table view, to-do list, and a lot of elements and features right here. So let's just say you want to start with table view. So you can tap on slash right here and you have this. So basically, if you want to add like week 1, week 2, week 3, 4, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you can just basically do that. You just have to click and then add word or type any word right here for your habit tracker. You can also change the size. You just have to move. And then as you can see, I'm currently typing week 1. I have added Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and here you can add your habits. And in case that you don't want, or if you want to add another way, let's just say to-do list or checklist, you just have to simply tap on this to-do list right here and then add your habit, copy paste the boxes. And once you're done with this habit, all you have to do is to check or click in order for you to know that you have done this habit right here. Now, aside from the table view and to-do list, you can also select other elements right here, or you can add file, you can add videos inside Notion. As you can see, I have added heading right here for Monday and added to-do list. So I'm going to replace this with this habits. So once I'm done, then I just have to tap on check or click check. Okay, so another way is that you can also add bulleted list for your habits. So you just have to simply again copy and paste the circle and then add your habits. Okay, so I have here Monday, Tuesday, you can add Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Another thing is that you can also add calendar view. So basically just type slash and then look for calendar view, and then here you can add your habits too. So these are the simple ways and how to track habits with Notion. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.